With the name of Allah Almighty, my name is Sania. Today we are going to learn phonic sound. S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S. The snake is in the grass. S. Snake. S. Sun. S. Snail. S. Sunflower. Aunt Maya. Aunt Maya. They are causing me along. Aunt. A arrow, a apple. T. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head go back and forth. To tennis, to teddy bear, to tortoise, sat. Pinky the mouse is my word. She spelled dying. The mouse is my word. E. E inky mouse. A igloo. A ink. A e. Eat. Sit. Puff out the candle. Pink cake. Puff. Pink cake. Pie. Parrot. Pencil. Eat pit. At pet. Tap. Tip. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. The make of lots of noise. Nip. Ant. Pan. Tin. The noise. The nest. The net. The neck.